Hello guys, so these are the project of few of my students. I can't put all of them here. This is Mr. Lamont from the USA. You can see his number right there, so you know I'm not capping. This is the time he sent me the finished work before fixing the sleeve, and then this was when he sent me the project right when he was drafting. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you his result.
Just showing you the fit. Actually came out perfect. See, this is, and I didn't even put the buttons on, but it came out really good, my friend.
He just fixed the one pipe, and it was with my stepdad. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $5,000. That's all. Thank you. That wasn't what the agreement was, so I don't believe that I owe her the money. I'm happy that the truth came out, just the utilities and to help fix the house up. I have a family. I can't afford to support her. Well, I hope that we can settle everything and fix the relationship. I did nothing wrong in this whole situation, but I'm treated as if I was the one that did something wrong by asking.
This is Tomilola from Lagos. This is Kenneth Philip from Kenya. This is what all these people have to say about my tutorials. I am not capping, guys. You need to come in. This is Nana Bonsu from Ghana. This is the actual work. He made these two suits just by registering for my suit course. And then this is Mansour, I guess I've forgotten his name. This is the project he made from my suit course. This next guy, he made a suit out of my suit course using a jeans fabric. This guy is from Kaduna State. Don't be left out. Join this course and be a suit maker. See you in the class.